Hey everyone, it's Casey here, and usually I say that Heather steals the words right out of my mouth when it comes to exactly what I want to say, yet I think I have my own language, so it comes out completely different, but for once I think maybe I can do this, And so anyway, I love to talk. I apologize. I have a little bit of a head cold, so if I'm either extra loud, I'm sorry because I have no idea. And two, if I sound a little deeper than usual, I'm usually an alto, but I think I'm like a bass today. So anyway, today is the day that Heather and I are on Amazon as published authors with Body Peace. And we couldn't be more excited to be sharing this journey with you guys. And all of the support has been absolutely amazing. 3 years ago, is it 3 years ago? 3-ish years ago when I started my blog, I honestly didn't think that it would ever lead me to not only meet so many amazing people, but to be able to help so many amazing people. And Heather and I know that when we first met each other, we jokingly yet super serious said, one day we're going to do something epic together. And this is what it is, because we are coming together with our passions, with our similar background with eating disorders, even though they happen in completely different ways. We are coming together as my side of the fitness and the food and looking at it as a way to get stronger and a way to feel empowered and a way to fuel your body. And Heather's side of the spirituality and the meditation and coming together to be able to help someone be whole. And that's our main goal with this, is to help people. And to be able to do that while also living out your passion and doing something you love to do is beyond my wildest dreams. So we just want to say thank you. I wish she was like right here next to me, because yeah, I got my other friends here though. I just realized me and my girls are hanging out. Wish Heather was right here. I miss her, and this month I'll be seeing her, so I'm sure you'll see some more stuff from us. But if you go to Amazon, we are there under Body Peace, and we cannot wait to help you on your journey. If you feel that someone needs this, if they're recovering from something that they've dealt with food, fitness, any of the above, or they've taken it to an extreme, feel free to share this with them. We share our stories super openly, and we're just so excited that we can truly help other people. And Heather did say this, and I agree 100%. It really isn't about us. Yes, we share our stories. Yes, we want to mentor you. Yes, we give you the tools to truly help change your life, but it all can't be done without you. And so we're so grateful, and thank you for listening to my nasally deep voice, and I appreciate you guys more than anything, and I can't wait to grow with you, and Heather and I bring you more content and just more stuff to help you guys. You're awesome, and we will be talking to you guys soon.